Om Shanti. Welcome. I hope you all did your homework. You had a long holiday. So let's, if you want, if you wish, you can talk that what you learned in 3 days. But you have to be very fast. If anyone wants to share that what did you learn in 3 days? What did you understand? And you have to unmute your microphone if you want to speak. Yes. What did you learn in your first day?
Body is perishable, soul is imperishable. Um, um, and soul is made up of
Qualities.
Peace, love, happiness, knowledge, purity, and power.
Very good. So first lesson, we understood who we are, and once we understand, once we realize who we are, then we need to practice that. And that's why there was homework. That I am not this body, I am not this name, this nationality. This is the whole package. But I, the content inside the package. I, the soul, am eternal, immortal, imperishable. I am peace, I am love, I am happiness. And what did you learn in your second day?
Is made of, is a world of light.
Yes.
And our home is up, the land of peace. Land of peace. And who is God? Is divine energy, is a light, is a light.
Good. Thank you, Saif. I forgot your name.
It's Salma.
Yes, Salma. Thank you so much for sharing. Okay,
and,
let's, yeah, you still want to say something?
We learned that of the 5 points to measure
Yes.
Who can be called God. He is the highest of highest on height.
Highest on height.
Is beyond the cycle of birth and death.
Yes.
Is the knowledge of
knowledgeful.
He is knowledgeful. He is beneficial to all. Benevolent to all.
Yes.
He's accepted by all religions. And the fifth one was, I guess it's the 5 points.
Yes, yes, you got it. Very good. Very good. Okay, so briefly in 2 minutes, we just covered 3 sessions. Who we are, we understood, and where we have come from, and who is God. And on a 3rd day, we understood that how to remember Him and what are the powers we attain or we just develop them. We already have all those powers, but we are not using them. So through Raj Yoga meditation, we are able to use every power. So we understood I am not this body, I am a soul, I am an actor. And just like an actor leaves his house, he comes on the stage, he takes a costume according to his role, he plays his role. When the drama ends, he removes his costume, he takes on his original costume, his original clothes, and he returns to his home. Same here. So simple. We are souls. We used to be in that world of peace with our Father, with God, Supreme Soul. And then we souls come down on this earth. We took this body as costume made by the 5 elements in the earth. We play our different roles. And when the drama finishes, we leave all the elements here, we shed this costume, and then we have to return home. But we have to wear our original costume, how we came. So when we came to earth, we were 100% pure. We were 100% full of all the qualities. And so in the same way, once we become 100% again, full of all qualities, pure, it is when we can return home. But what happens that while playing a role, slowly with the passage of time, the battery, means the soul, discharges. And when all the batteries are discharged, then there is a need of powerhouse, God, Supreme Soul, to come and to remind us that who you are. You don't belong to this world, and who He is. No one knows Him. When He comes, He gives His own introduction. So He reminds us our own introduction. He gives His own introduction, and He shows us the way back our home. And then we connect with Him. He recharges us and takes us back home. And this is called drama. So today we will talk about the cycle of time. It's very interesting, and I'm sure you are going to understand it so clearly if you have understood the 3 sessions. Okay. Before we understand this unlimited drama, the world cycle, the cycle of time, let's understand the small cycles within this unlimited cycle. And with these small cycles, we are very used to. Just for example, a cycle of day and night. It is a cycle. And one thing, it has a fixed duration. One cycle of day and night, it has a fixed duration, 24 hours. There cannot be 1 second less or 1 second more. It is fixed. And within this 24-hour cycle, we have to pass through different 4 stages. We have to. Okay? Only in 24 hours. What are those different 4 stages? Morning, afternoon, evening, night. Okay. After night, what comes? Morning, because it's a cycle. But every day, after every one cycle, there is a new cycle. New cycle, but it repeats same way. Same way means we still have to pass through the same 4 stages: morning, afternoon, evening, night. We cannot say only in one cycle we pass through from morning, afternoon, evening, night, and second cycle it can change. Maybe afternoon comes first, night second, evening third. No, that is not possible. It repeats identically. Okay, which means one cycle has fixed duration, and in that fixed duration we have to pass through 4 stages. Now within these 4 stages, the way we feel our own stages, that is also different. Morning, how do we feel? Fresh, new, like 100% charged, 100% new, 100% pure, full. And then slowly, how do you feel in the afternoon? Little less. Evening, more or less. Discharging more and more. No more freshness. How do we feel at night? Completely, battery is flat and we need to sleep. This is the cycle. So, morning, we are 100%. Afternoon, we are 80%. Evening, we are 50%. And night, about to die. Means battery is about to die. Okay, the red line comes, TT, means you need to sleep. So that you are ready for the new cycle, or then another cycle from morning again. Clear? So simple. Now, imagine you don't know, you have no knowledge that after night, morning comes. You have no knowledge about it. You become aware when it was the time of night only. Okay, so you don't know that there was morning, and you don't know that there will be morning. You are there only at the time of night. So you have no knowledge of the cycle, what comes next, nothing. How will be your night? If there is no knowledge that after night there is morning, it will be more stressed, right? The night will not be good. So it is important. We can relax at night because we have knowledge. Sorry. You can hear me? Can you hear me? No?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay.
But in broken.
Okay.
Not clear.
Now?
Yes.
Okay. So, we have to pass through different 4 stages. And in different 4 stages, there are different feelings. And when there is morning, there is only morning. 2 stages cannot be together. Okay, you cannot say there is morning and evening together. No, it comes one by one. When there is morning, there is only morning. When there is afternoon, there is only afternoon. Okay, so it is a cycle, it just moves on, and we are so used to it. Then it comes, for example, the cycle of week and weekends, 7 days. It is in order. Days are fixed, There cannot be 8 days or 6 days. It's 7 days, fix. And it is also in order. Monday comes first, then Tuesday, then Wednesday. After Sunday, if you wish, Tuesday should come. Or why there is Monday to Friday? Only Saturday, Sunday should be there. Not possible. It's a cycle. It is a cycle. And even if you see each day, your feelings are different. How do you feel on Saturday? You can't feel the same way on Monday. Yeah. So there are stages. The cycle, you can see a cycle kind of a ladder. It's a ladder. Means you come slowly, slowly. Every step we are coming down. The battery is discharging from 100 to 80 to 50 to 0. In the same way, if you see the cycle of life, child, pure, great. We say a child is greater than a great soul. And then, so child is 100% pure. Then teenage, 80% purity. Then adult, 50% purity. And then old age, impure. And then there is death. And then life again. So it's a cycle. It is called cycle of birth and death. And there also we have to pass through different 4 stages. So even if you say, for example, you charge your phone to 100 and then you say, I don't want my phone to be discharged. So I don't want to use my phone. Let it be there. You keep it somewhere. Still, at its own time, your phone will get discharged, even if you don't use. Yeah, that's why it is called the cycle of time. Okay, so even if you bring change or no, the time will definitely, bring the change. Okay, so if we talk about this cycle, this world, in this world, the duration of this world is only 5,000 years. You have to note this. It is not hundreds and thousands of years where there is no account. How many hundreds and how many thousands of years? There is the duration of this whole cycle is only 5,000 years. Not 1 second less, 1 second more. It is fixed. Now we'll see the account of 5,000 years. What happens in this fixed duration? Okay. So in this world drama cycle also, there are different 4 ages. The ages means times. 4 different ages we souls pass through. So now imagine we all souls are up in our home. We are sitting with our Baba. And then we come down first time. First time we are coming down on this earth. So how we are? 100% pure, complete, perfect, divine, like children of God, like deities. And the stage, when we come first time on the stage is also new. There is no need for any repairing. It is new, it is perfect, the perfect world. And that was the first age. And that age was known as golden age, golden time. Okay, when everything is perfect, we souls are perfect, nature is perfect, the stage is perfect. Now, perfect means what? So when we souls came first time on this earth, we were aware of our true identities. Just we have taken this body, but we were not body conscious. So in the golden age, we all souls were soul conscious. We are aware that we are actors in this body. This is my body. And so you have to understand this. Because we were all soul conscious, there was no body consciousness in the golden age. There was no vices, no lust, no ego, no greed, no attachment, no arrogance, no anger, no vices. And that is why golden age is also known as vice-less world. There is no name or trace of vice. And that is why you can call it paradise, heaven, Bahisht. And because there are no vices, there is no pain, there is no sorrow, there is no name or trace of sorrow. And that is why it is called the land of happiness, Sukhadham. The land of happiness. There is nothing but happiness. There is no, we don't know what is sorrow, what is pain, we don't know. Okay? And so because there is no pain, no sorrow, there is no devotion. There are no bodily religions. There is no need. We don't remember God there because there is no need. We ourselves, we human beings, were worthy of worship like gods and goddesses, full of all divine qualities. So there was no body consciousness, so no vices, so no pain, so no devotion. We don't remember God there. There's no need. And so that was the first age where we lived. So who we were? We were deities, gods and goddesses, worthy of worship souls. Nature was perfect. And so the body which is made by the nature was perfect. There was no doctors, there was no police, there is no crime, there are no jails, there are no medicines, there are no lawyers, white coat and black coat, they don't exist there. So we were full of purity, peace and prosperity. Because we were divine. So the nature was perfect and used to exist to serve us, Okay, and the period, the duration of that golden age, that was the morning of this world. So the duration of that golden age was 1250 years, means 1250 years. Anyway, all four ages have the same duration, equal. They are equal. So 1250 years we were in the golden age. Perfect. No crying, no pain, no suffering. Now you imagine that we are actors, right? We are actors and we are on the stage which is so perfect. We are in one scene. Okay, and the duration of that scene is 1250 years. Okay, in that scene, one actor changes his role, means his costume, or in another word, he changes his body only 8 times. Well, we are not eternal. Soul has to leave his body. Okay, because the matter has expiry date. But in 1250 years duration, one actor changes its costume only 8 times, which means the lifespan was very long, around 150 years. And in 150 years also, it's not that, someone leaves, a soul leaves the body. There is no name of death. It is so simple, like a snake. A snake discards its old skin and takes new. So in the same way, there is no pain, there are no diseases. Very simple. Soul leaves one costume. How at night we remove the costumes? We remove the clothes and take the light clothes. Right? So that easily soul leaves one body and takes another. So lifespan was very long. There was no untimely death. Everyone has to live 150 years. And then they know that now my time to leave this costume and I'm going to receive new costume. So there was no crying. There is no separation. That is the land of happiness. Okay. So that was the first stage on this earth, golden age, 1250 years. We took 8 births. Okay. Now with the passage of time, from 100%, we have to go to 80%. Then there is the afternoon of this world begins, means the second age. The second age. And it's so gradually. It's not that there is a door from golden age, we go to the second age. No. Very gradually the soul discharges, degrades. Okay. So when we all souls come to 80% purity, now that period cannot be the perfect period. Cannot be called the golden age, like a metal gold. It's pure, unaffected by the external environment. Little bit alloy is mixed in the gold. And so that is called the second age, silver age. Okay, silver age. The alloy of silver is mixed. And if you see the metal silver is after some time affected by the external environment. So in the second stage, age also, it is the same duration. Silver age has 1250 years. Still we are aware of our true identity. We have not yet forgotten ourselves. So there are no vices. It is still a viceless world. There is no pain, no sorrow yet. And still we are worthy of worship. There is no need for God. We don't remember God. There are no religion. The only thing, little bit purity has been diminished because of time. Because of time. Just I give you one example. You go to a mall and buy a new dress today. You don't open the package. It is still packed. You keep it in your cupboard. And after 5 years, if you open and see your dress, how will you say? Is it new or old? You would say it is 5-year-old. Of course, you have not used it. You have not even opened the bag, but it is old. Why? Not by using. It is not used, but with time. This is the law of time. Everything that is new becomes old. Like if you construct one house today after 50 years, gradually, it's not that after 50 years it becomes 50-year-old house. But from the first day, it has started becoming old. Okay, so same thing applies to the soul, the degrees of the soul. We were 16 celestial degrees full in the golden age, like a full moon, 16 celestial degrees full, and then our degrees decreases, and we come to 14%. I mean 14 degrees, 80%. Okay, so silver age has the same duration, 1250 years. But here now, because little bit purity has been diminished, so our lifespan decreases and the number of births increases. So here we take 12 births. In the golden age, we take in the same duration 8 births. In the silver age, we change this body 12 times. 12 times there is rebirth. Okay, so the lifespan is around 130, 135. Still very good comparatively. Not bad. So we finished half the cycle. The morning and the afternoon of this unlimited world. So half of the cycle, when we souls are aware of our true identities, half of the cycle, we souls call ourselves deities, means gods and goddesses, which means full of all divine virtues. Half of the cycle, there is no body consciousness, there is no pain, no sorrow. Half of the cycle, there is the day. We are in light, enlightened soul. So we finished 2500 years on this stage. Imagine. And how many roles we played? 20 roles together. 8 in the golden age, 12 in the silver age. Okay. Now, again, from 80% we go to 50%. And there was a time when all the souls on the stage, all the actors, comes to its 50% stage. That age cannot be now the golden age or silver age or paradise. No. Now it is called copper age, the third age, which is the evening of this cycle. Copper age. Now, copper age is, now in the real gold, the alloy of silver, the alloy of copper is mixed. So you can imagine what happens. Now it is no more 24 carats. The alloy is mixed. So copper age is the age of duality. The age of duality means when we souls come to the copper age, or in another word, we can say when there is the vast change happens in our consciousness, when our consciousness changes completely, copper age begins. Now there is the vast change in our consciousness. Before we start, I inform you we have only less than 1 minute. So you reconnect again, okay, reminding you are going to disconnect. Please use the same ID, same password and reconnect, okay? And let's have 1 minute of pause.